Hey guys, it's Isabella. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I carry to school in my backpack. So this is a what's in my backpack video. I am super excited for this video. This is probably going to be the last video in my back to school series. I did want to put the winner of my back to school giveaway. I've had them chosen for a while. So the winner of the back to school giveaway is Esther, and I will leave her Instagram handle down below if you guys want to check her out. She's super sweet, and she told me she's going into 8th grade, so congrats Esther for winning my giveaway, and thank you all of you for supporting my channel and entering this giveaway. I will be holding more giveaways in the future, but for now just stay tuned. I will be doing like a fall giveaway and stuff like that, and a winter giveaway for like Christmas and stuff, so stay tuned for those giveaways. And yeah, so I just wanted to say that before I continue on with this video. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Isabella. Welcome. I really hope you stick around, and don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time seeing me. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. That way you know when I upload a new video. I have a lot of pre-filmed and pre-planned videos that I'm going to be uploading for you guys and filming soon. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so anyway, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. First thing, I've done a video like this before. I'm sorry, like I try to put my hair in the front, but it's really hot in my room and the fan's already on, so you're just gonna have to bear with me, okay? And yes, I know I have a stain on my shirt, but like let's just not address that, okay? So this is my backpack. It's a North Face backpack, and I got this I want to say my senior year of high school, so I've had it for like 4 years now. It was a long time ago. So it's been a while, but this thing is so durable. I love it. I love North Face backpacks. It has like 3 main compartments. The first zipper right here, then the second one, and then there's like a third one in the back right here. Now we'll be going through to let you guys know what's in here. The first pocket is the really small one right here. Sorry if you guys hear the rain, it's really loud. So I have some headphones. These are the ones I use for my laptop, because I did get the new iPhone 8, and these are my headphones for that. They have a different like thing on it. But so I have these headphones for my laptop because they don't have the jack that the new one has. The next thing I have in here are some hair ties. Let me pull them out. So they're just, you know, standard hair ties that everyone needs. Next I have a lip balm. I don't normally use this, but it's the Rosebud lip salve. So it looks like this, and let me try to open it actually. It's like a pinky, yeah, I got it all over my hands. It's like a pinky kind of color, and it's like just like a gel, and it's super good. And then the next thing I have in here, the last things I have are a Sharpie pen. I love these things. And I have a hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works, super nice, really pretty. Normally I carry around the Carmex Classic Lip Balm. I have it in all 3 forms. Looks like this. It's so cute. Next thing we're gonna open is this section. I did take out one thing from here. Know that I normally have a binder in here, but this backpack's really heavy to hold on my lap right now, so I didn't want to put that in this video. This next compartment is gonna have good stuff. This is like what I used to carry my pads and tampons in. Then I have a brush. This is a tiny little wet brush. I have some Excedrin because I have headaches, because when I take my ADD meds, I get a lot of headaches, so I do need to take this. I have some Neosporin, and I also used to have Band-Aids in here, but I don't know where any of them went. I have another hand sanitizer in here. Should probably take the other one out, but this is my favorite scent, Black Cherry. Next I have some more pills in this little macaroon container for pills. I have a Tide stick, which I probably need to use on my shirt, but it's a Tide to Go stick. Then I have a hair tie, and I have these things called Picat. You put it in water and it helps you get rid of heartburn and stuff like that, and indigestion feelings, so I carry that around with me just in case I need it. But I put it in my water and it just makes me feel a lot better. So I have all of that in here, just like essentials that I need. The next thing I'm gonna show you guys is my new calculator. It's basically the same one. It's the oh god, this is dirty. It's the Texas Instruments TI-48 Plus CE. It's the color edition, and you can see it now. But yeah, so that's the new one, and it's chargeable, so it doesn't need batteries, which is great. great. So I use that for business cal. Next I have my planner. This is my Erin Condren planner. They sell them also at Staples, but if you want that customization, I recommend just ordering it online. You can get like customized stuff. And yeah, so I have the gold coil with the neutral tabs and colors in them, and I like to decorate my stuff. So I will be doing Plan With Me's again soon. What else? Oh yeah, my pencil case. This is from Kroger. I got this at Kroger. I've seen them at Target before, but this year Target didn't have them. At least when I went, they didn't have them. Next thing I have is my folder for like all my handouts. If I have notes and stuff that I need to print out, I put them in here. Syllabus from there, just stuff like that. And then I have these 3 notebooks. So I'm gonna start out with this one. This one is my US history notebook. I try to make my notes pretty clean, but they end up like scatterbrained. I've been trying to do outline form. Then this is my business cal notebook. And then this is my biology notebook. So that's all the stuff that's in there. And then the last compartment on my backpack is for my laptop. I did get a new laptop. I saved up a lot of money this summer and I got myself a new one. This is my laptop. This is it's beautiful. Here's my laptop. I will link this case down below. It's from Amazon. It was like $20, I feel like it was $15. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up for me and leave a comment down below letting me know any other videos you would like to see, or just letting me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said in the beginning of this video, if you're new, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. And follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. They will all be in the down bar as well as on the screen. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.